Hello children, I am back, your Zainab ma'am. We are going to revise our alphabet and their sounds. Where were we children last time? I think we had finished till G. That is go, go. And do you know what comes after G? It is H. Mama H, baby H, capital letter H, small letter H. And can you guess the sound this baby H makes? Guess it. It makes H, H, like hop, hop. Alright, and now it's time to sing the favorite rhyme of letter H. Ready? Sing with me with actions. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. How do you make H sound, children? You have to take your palm close to your lips and then you have to say H, H, so that you can feel the air on your palms like this. Try with me. Say sound H, H, so that you can feel your air on your palm. H, H, as in hop. And now it's turn for seeing the words that starts with letter H. Can you tell me some words which starts with H, as in H for? I'll tell you, what do I have? I have H for an animal. Which animals comes from the letter H? Horse. Look, your ma'am is having a beautiful horse. And I also have H for heart. I have H for handkerchief. I have H for hanger. And I also have H for hat. Hat. You wear hat on your head. And what do you wear? You wear it with your hands. That's it for now. Bye-bye.